GoTextCoin.com is a newly registered domain, which is already a major red flag when it comes to online investment platforms. After testing the platform, the results were highly disappointing. The website makes big promises of high returns, but there is no real transparency regarding who operates it or how funds are managed. The lack of proper licensing or verifiable information raises serious concerns about its legitimacy. Depositing funds was easy, but when it came to withdrawals, things took a turn for the worse. The withdrawal process was either delayed indefinitely or completely ignored, with no real customer support to address the issue. The testimonials on the site appear fake, and there are no trustworthy third-party reviews confirming that users have successfully withdrawn their money. Everything about this platform screams scam, from the unrealistic profit claims to the poorly designed website that looks like it was rushed to go live. Based on my experience, I strongly advise against investing in GoTextCoin.com, as it seems to be another fraudulent scheme designed to trap unsuspecting users.